What's doing? Welcome to another episode. This week's another Gworks Canopy. This one is on a brand new Ranger. Let's have a look and see what it's all about. Alright, so there it is. There's our brand new Ranger. This one's, I don't know, so the bottom of the line or pulse pack or whatever you want to call it, but has no lane change assist, no ADAS stuff. We're putting in a reverse camera, so it has that, but no reverse sensors either. Yeah, so no reverse sensors, no ADAS, lane change stuff, pretty basic stuff. The insides all still look all the same. So yeah, brand spanker just come from delivery to here. We have a canopy over there, and we're going to fit it on the back here. So we're just setting out all the wiring, where it all has to go. This is the new reverse camera you can buy from Ford. You just patch it in and away you go. Add it on and turn it on inside the dash. And we'll get the canopy on, we'll get it buttoned up, and I'll show you what's inside of it. What's doing, boss?
Oh, I'm just fitting some canopies.
Canopies. So this one's the new Ranger. You've backed it on and dropped it on. So they're bolting down now. All in the locations. Oh, not yet. So he's just going to line it up. We're not holding tight yet. We can get it shimmied across where it needs to go, and get all the wiring all plugged in, ready to go for harnesses, for tail lights and whatnot. Yeah, once he's got it all on, I'll open it all up and show you what's inside. What are you doing, mate?
Doing some wiring.
Wiring? What are you wiring?
Central locking.
So we've got central locking, and we're running the sense wire for the what do you call this thing? The DC from Enerdrive. Probably lighting's not the greatest here. We'll try and light up my life a little bit so you can see. But your full Enerdrive kit. We have a pantry and a fridge. I might have to go outside and show you. This one's got a outboard holder as well. So once Alex's done all his wiring, infill panels, toolboxes, tail lights and bits and pieces, we'll head on outside and I'll show you the insides and the accessories this one's got. Alright, so Alex got the Enerdrive kit all wired up now. Ooh, we're flashing faces, trying to get under here with the light. So Alex got all the Enerdrive stuff all plumbed up now, wired up, plumbed up, and it's all working. So now you can see on here, we can go through and it'll tell you how long to charge, how much amps it's got, and the voltage, and obviously how much percentage battery's left. You obviously have a thermometer as well, so it's 30 degrees, and the barograph as well, so where you are. All there. We got a light switch here, so we can have lights on and off, and they turn off up there as well, so you can actually turn them off up here and change colours, or you can run it through the manual switch down the bottom. Fridge is on and running. Have a few brewskis, and there's a pantry in here as well, which I'll pull out once all the stuff's out of the way. But yeah, once he gets outside, we'll get outside, we'll get it all nice and cleaned up, we'll have a look inside, and I'll show you around what the inside is. So also with these Rangers, we've got a discotheque going on here, these cab chassis Rangers, they don't have reverse camera. So Ford have a genuine reverse camera, which you can buy. There's a part number there you can see maybe. It has a reverse camera and adapter bracket to go with it. Plugs into the factory harness, and we can turn that on in the ECU. So we have the 4Scan software where we can go into the ECU, and when you program the module to work, which you better hop in here, hit the go button, and we have reverse camera. So that's another thing to upgrade with these. So if you have a reverse camera, if you have a cab chassis and you want reverse camera, we can supply, install and code to your car. But let's continue on looking at what else does this car come with in the tray. So this side, we've got a bit of light today so I can show you. It has the tray, has the drawer and tray set up. So it's all the way out, and that's all the way out. The map was. But we also have this big dog, is the outboard holder. It's hot because it's brand new still. You can lift that up. This comes all the way out and tilts down with another 1/4 litre here, and your outboard can sit on here and get stored inside the canopy. So then you can put your tinny up on top, and away you go. So that's another cool add-on from our Mac. Go into there, but that can get fitted into the Gworks floorboards and have your tinny holder. I needed 2 hands to pull the pin that was in here, but now the outboard can sit out, and you can lift it up, put your pin in here, and slide it away. So nice and easy. That's just all one hand. Let's just put the pins in with 2 hands. But so yeah, outboard holder, inboard. And on the driver's side in the toolbox compartment, open this up, we have the ARB dual compressor, and that's all in here, turned on via power under here, all ready to go. Just plug your air line in, and you'll have air on board. All tucked away, sealed up, and safe. The other thing I didn't show you the other day was the pantry. So this is pantry, just push button down the bottom, pull out, and you have a full-size pantry, and you can have your netting behind so you don't lose anything. That's just our tap for the water. But yeah, that gets tucked away, locked in, pantry's done, outboard in the back, ready to go. Well, I just got a couple of little things to finish up, and little infill panels I think on the passenger side and the driver's side. This side's all done. Just got to tidy up the wiring for the reverse camera, and we're just going to put the side mudguard on and the infill panel, and to be outside ready for some pretty photos. So I'll let him finish doing what he's doing, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, she's all out the front now. It has just rained, so it's all wet. We'll unlock and have a look inside. Best over both doors, Shane. Alright, so hopefully a bit more daylight you can see in here. Yeah, that's the outboard side. Fridge, drawer, tray, toolbox, infill panels. Again, as always, 6 litre water tank. You can just see it in there. It comes out the back on the other side. We have a spare wheel carrier. I'll open this one up so you can see it in the daylight. Fridge, air drive. This is the Explorer pack, lithium battery, and all done and dusted inside. Fuel filler as per normal, obviously. Like I said, I've also just pressure washed this as well, and it's been raining, but you can see it's all 100% dry there, even after a pressure wash, to clean it all the dust out. So that's it. She's pretty much done. Water points here, if you have that's gravity fed, but you can also have on the pump. Like I said, this one's got the air compressor in this tank, in this one, so just got to clean it out in there, and she'll be done and ready to go. So a couple of the touches, and she'll be ready to go. This one's all done, brand new next gen Ranger. She's all done and dusted, and we shall move on to the next one. So you want any more information on Gworks, like I said, head over to Gworks page. You can fill out a quote form. They'll get back to you on pricing and availability, and we can get them fitted for you here and get a tune, lift kit, everything else for you here as well. So if you want to see more Gworks stuff, let me know. But until the next one, I'll see you then.